Good morning, students. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about evolution of microprocessor MUP. In this section, right from 4004, the microprocessor, or we can say main processing unit of 4-bit, there were microprocessors introduced till 80586, that is a Pentium. And this is with 64-bit word length. These evolutions are under 5 generations. In these generations, we learn in which by which company any microprocessor is introduced. It contains with some bit word length and some additional features like addressing capacity, etc. Let's see about the first generation. In this, first Intel Corporation introduced a microprocessor with number 4004. It's the first MUP with the word length of 4-bit, and that is introduced in 1971. So we can see here, let's see, Intel Corporation introduced a microprocessor with number 4004, a first MUP with a 4-bit word length, and introduced in 1971, and that was designed to be used in calculators. Its a use was there at that time in calculators. In the same generation, again Intel Corporation introduced 8008 MUP with a word length of 8-bit. Again Intel introduced in the same generation 8080 microprocessor number with a word length of 8-bit. Another company named Motorola Corporation in 1973, they introduced a microprocessor of 8-bit only word length, and that number is 6800. So students, please note, in this first generation, Intel introduced microprocessors 4004, that is of 4-bit. Again by the same company, 8008, 8080, these are of 8-bit, and Motorola company introduced 6800 with word length of 8-bit. This is nothing but a summary part of the first generation. Come to the second generation. In the second generation, company named Zilog Corporation again introduced a microprocessor Z80 with a word length of 8-bit. During this generation, the development of microprocessor was towards or in the direction to complete microprocessor system. We can call that as a microcomputer MUSI, which contains MPU, ROM, RAM, clock, etc. in that system. Means in this generation, the microprocessors were developed to design a microcomputer or MUPI-based system, in which the first is Xyla Corporation Z80, that number is Z80 and its word length is of 8-bit. In the same generation, Intel introduced 8-bit MUPI, and that was our 8085 that we are going to learn or use in the laboratory experiments. We are going to learn in detail in the unit number 1 only, and about it instruction set in unit number 2. Next is in 1977. 1977, a 12-bit microprocessor was introduced, and that is by Intersil Corporation. That is by Intersil Corporation. That number is IM6100. So note, in this generation, as a summary part, we will write Intel company introduced 8085 8-bit MUPI. Xyla Corporation number Z80 with the same 8-bit, and by Intersil that number is IM6100, and this is of 12-bit. Okay, now come to the next, third generation, where we have to learn which company has introduced that microprocessor with some word length. Number 3, third generation. In this, Intel introduced 16-bit, and that is number 8086. Xyla Corporation introduced also 16-bit, that number is Z8000. And Motorola introduced same 16-bit, and that is M68000. These all microprocessors were available with memory addressing space capacity of 64 kilobyte with full featured arithmetic execution, and they were efficient to handle higher level language programming, or they were addressing that time. So as a summary note, in this generation, Intel introduced 8086 16-bit. Zilog introduced Z8000, same 16-bit. Motorola introduced M68000, 16-bit word length. Come to the next generation, number 4, that is the second last one. Generation number 4, fourth generation. In this, first of all, let's see, Intel introduced the microprocessor, the number 80386 at 32-bit wide, and that is available with 4 GB memory addressing capacity, 4 GB. Then Hewlett Packard HP introduced HP 32, same of 32-bit wide or with word length. Then 1987 Motorola introduced M68020. This is also with 32-bit word length. So in this generation, as a note, we can again, let's see, Intel introduced 80386 of 32-bit. HP, Hewlett Packard introduced HP32 of 32-bit word length, and Motorola introduced M68020 of 32-bit. All these MPUs or microprocessors available with addressing capacity of 4 GB. Come to the last generation, number 5, fifth generation. In this, Intel's improvement was towards providing a greater speed system with a greater speed, and that system is designed with this fifth generation MPU main processing unit with a number 80586, that is also called Pentium. It is available with 64-bit word length, and these systems were designed to support operating systems like Unix, Linux, etc. So in this fifth generation, Intel introduced the system with greater speed is to be designed, and that microprocessor, this MPU, is a 80586 called Pentium, and it is available with 64-bit word length, and it was here with the support of operating system like Unix and Linux. So here, students, we learned today the microprocessors available from 4-bit and we reach up to the 64-bit, how that MUPI is evolved under these 5 generations. Yeah, thank you.